What's up, guys? Welcome back. Poppy Playtime for the Doctor. Dr. Harley something. Harley Sawyer, if I remember. Landscape page. Use a pencil, use an eraser. Hit pause. If I go too fast, I'm going to start with the big eye in the middle because it's like it's centered, gets it started nicely, right? So center point here, we're going to come up a bit. His TV head is like top half of my page, right? Yeah, so go. So top eye line. It's kind of flat. Slight curve on it. And then we go down. Up to there, right? And then his iris, well, pupil, maybe the black circle. We'll do the black circle first, right? So you could do the pupil in there. I want it to be slightly bigger, so we'll go around again. Okay, and draw a circle, and maybe another, and then color around here. Okay, there may be like veins sometimes, like in his eyes. They're like this kind of thing. These are optional, of course. But his eyes are kind of like static, and there's all these weird lines and stuff on it because it's a TV screen. So he's got like an eyelid line that comes across the top here, and then a couple down here as well. So his hood flies right across here. Kind of starts to come down around the side of his head. Both sides. And then we got the square sort of TV side, like a box, sort of coming down. Probably should, the hood should go further there actually. So we'll let this be the screen part. And then we'll go around this way. It's just a square, really. Okay. And there's like a little rectangle or something up here. And then some little buttons or something down here. Remember, if I'm going too fast, just pause your video. Just hit the pause button. Okie dokie. So the rest of this hood, so it's like it's sitting on top of his kind of square TV head. So we gotta go up a bit with this. And then it kind of goes in this way. It's kind of bumpy. And then it goes across the top like that. So it's kind of like sitting on the top of his head here. And then there's a little bit at the back. Right, and there's like a stitching line coming down there. And there's all like stains and dirt, and you know, he's kind of rough looking. He's not like clean. So we'll just bring this hood line down this way then. And we'll do the same over here. It has a bit of an inside sort of area. So this is all fabric, okay? And it's kind of like coming this way, and then it's all like ripped and torn, right? So there's all jaggedy bits and stuff here. And you could do this anyway. It doesn't have to be exactly the way I do it, you know, just like ripped and torn and hanging down sort of thing, going back underneath that in there. Sorry, I just went over my line there. I'll just get rid of that. So we just want it to go underneath. And then we go the other side. So just down in there. Can be kind of, you know, you can go any direction you want really. And this gets sort of tattered and torn and stuff as we go down. And then like an outside line. There's something in here as well. So it's like the flap on this side is like hanging down a bit further, right? So little sort of folds and dirt and scratches and stuff there, stains and things. So it hangs over his shoulders, kind of like a cape. There's all pipes and stuff then inside. It's all ripped and torn there. You got like some folding lines, and then it like comes down around his arm, goes down that way, and same on this side, pretty much bumps, wavy down there, and the inside area of it just down that way. Some details and folds and scratches and stains. So that's like the bulk of the shape, right? We got to put details now of his robot body sort of inside here. So we got like loads of pipes in his neck. Okay, well, we'll just start building them up. Pipes all coming down. And it goes into a big one here. Another piece of clothing here. So it's all like wires and okay, more pipes. Keep going. There's like little pieces of his shoulder or something in there. And then I think there's a big pipe. That's probably his neck. In under there. Right, so he's got like a square body. With lines. And one line going across the top of all these. And then his arms are kind of like pipes and cylinders. So like just pipe there. And then another pipe with like a little oval on the side. We gotta like connect this up to the rest of his arm. Like so. And then this big pipe goes up. And small pipe. Well, part of the big pipe there. And then this comes around. And then we can see the side. And then down into there. And there's like lines and scratches and stuff on this. And I think we can see another wire or something there. And then like some fabric lines just behind for his cape. And we'll do something similar over this side. This arm is actually turned a bit different to the other one. That's on the side. This one's like looking forward. It's kind of easier actually when it's this way. Okay, that's it. The Doctor. Or Dr. Sawyer. Is it? Sawyer? I keep forgetting. Harley Sawyer. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.